Welcome again to Glass with a Class. I'm June Anderson and I'm glad you stopped by. If this is your first visit with us, I hope you enjoy it and will come back. If you've visited before, well, I guess that means you're interested and want to learn more. Or maybe you're just curious. That's fine. I'm a curious sort too. Anyway, I'm glad you're here. Last episode, I promised something glowy this time. Did that get your curiosity stirred up? Okay, well, let's get into that. Did you know that some glass actually glows? Well, not by itself. It has to have a little help from a blacklight. If you're my age, you remember the blacklight era of the 60s and the 70s. I didn't spend much time around them, but I saw a few. I don't know why they call it a blacklight, because its glow is purple. Well, anyway, some of the green or greenish yellow depression glass and other glasses, even newer ones, will glow if you put them in the dark and turn a black light on them. Like this. Now, I wish I could get over there and turn off the light so it would be really dark, but you see them glowing? You see glow here? Okay. See it glow? Is that just the neatest thing? You're probably wondering why this happens mostly to some of the green or greenish glass. Well, uranium, tiny bits of uranium, were used in the manufacturing process of the glass to give it the green color. Some people shrink back at the thought of uranium being in something they put food in or on because isn't uranium radioactive? Well, my understanding from my little bit of research and folks more knowledgeable than I is that the amount is really tiny and you'd have to ingest it or inhale it to be affected. I don't know about you, but I don't have plans to break my glass and eat it or sniff it. Most of the depression glass that I use is not the green, but I do use some on occasion. I use my pink and clear the most, I think. I don't know about all this. I just think it's kind of neat that some glass glows and thought you'd like to see it. If you jump around on the internet, you'll find all kinds of folks saying all kinds of things about uranium in glass. It's toxic. It's not toxic. You shouldn't eat out of it. It's okay to eat out of it. Maybe you should just read up on it and decide for yourself how you want to proceed. Personally, I don't mind using my green glass on occasion, but I have pink, clear, yellow, blue, and almost every other color offered. So even if you do use it, you don't have to use it all the time. Change it up, just like many other things in life. Well, anyway, these are the featured pieces to cut today because they're green and glowy. We have a cream and sugar here that's known as avocado, and sometimes known as sweet pear, which is what I prefer to call it since I don't like avocados, but I love pears. It's from the Indiana Glass Company and was produced from 1923 to 1933. And you may remember this pretty little cake plate that I showed you recently. It's from U.S. Glass Company and was produced from about 1930 to 1939. I love the glow of these little pretties, don't you? I guess you'd say it's just a little extra perk of depression glass collecting. Now, we'll put these aside and move into our class portion of Glass with a Class today. I thought I'd pick something that goes along with our subject today and freak some of you out. Not really. I picked it because of the comedy effect. We're just looking at one word today, and it's nuclear. Do you see the comedy? Radioactive uranium and the word nuclear. Am I really that mean? Anyway, I thought it would be funny. If you don't think so, please accept my apologies. I ask your forgiveness. Some people pronounce the word nuclear by saying nuclear. It's not nuclear. It's nuclear. An easy way to remember how to say it is that if you can say new and clear, like it's a new clear day, then you can say nuclear. New, clear. Nuclear. Easy peasy. Well, that's it for this episode. I hope you'll come back next time when we'll talk about hobnail glass. See you next time. Bye-bye.